NAS weekly update video. We'll start with the double wide. Concrete has been poured for the driveway, and also the pad for the garage. Framing on the garage will start tomorrow. The lumber was delivered. The contractor was here, walked through everything with us today. They expect to get this thing framed and hopefully framed and under roof maybe by the weekend, depending on the weather. Nice little sidewalk back to the back steps of Aaron's place. Okay, the electrical conduit and low voltage conduit has been installed to the house. So when NES does their thing, we already are set and ready to take the temporary power away and supply the house with actual power. Okay, this would be row Z from the manager's house up towards Two Rivers. All the electrical pedestals, water risers, low voltage, high voltage, and sewers. Everything is in place up through here. All the wires have been pulled to each pedestal. This is rows T and U. The new main distribution panel is in place. All the electrical has been completed for the existing deluxe cabins, and the one that you see behind the main distribution panel there, that's the new one. All the prep work has been done electrically for the placement of that lodge. We just need to run the sewer over there, which is half a day's project, and then we can set that in its exact location that it needs to be. All the water, sewer, and electric is in place. All the wires have been pulled in T and U. Just need to come back in and do a final grade. Okay, row Y, all the water, sewer, electric, both pedestal electric and low voltage in the ground, wires pulled, pedestals mounted. This is row V and W actually. As you can see, all the water, sewer, electric is in place in every site in this row. We need to do some backfilling and then do some grading, put stones in for the sites, but all the utilities are in. All the wire has been pulled at this point. Okay, this is row X. Again, all utilities in place. Mostly everything in this row has been backfilled. Have to do some final grading. From the storms and a serious amounts of rains we had, some of the pedestals and water risers are now leaning due to the ground sinking around them. So we got to go back in and make a bunch of repairs on that stuff, and then do the final grade in this row. Right now they are currently pulling wire to all the cabins. The trenching and conduit is in the ground at all the cabins, and that's what they're doing right now. Today we tied the bathhouse back into the main water line, and they are also starting to set and level some of these cabins. Okay, I'm looking at the other side of the cabins. At this point it looks like there's approximately 6 set and leveled, and they're backfilling the trenches from the conduit being put in the ground. Making some serious progress here. Today the entranceway was saw cut to where it actually needs to be, so we can start tearing out the remaining asphalt and actually shaping the driveway. And as soon as they do that, then we can grade the rest of the soil down over this bank here and actually turn it into the shape that it's supposed to be coming in So that's it from Nashville for today.